हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमने आई दृष्टि की वन लाइनर वाला जो करंट अफेयर्स था उसको देख लिया है। अब हम सब्जेक्ट वाइज करंट अफेयर्स को देखते हैं। पहला पॉलिटिकल एंड नेशनल अफेयर्स है, पहले हम इसे देख लेते हैं, फिर आगे के जो भी न्यूज़ होंगे उनको हम आगे देखेंगे। फिर त्रिपुरा डिक्लेयर्ड फुल्ली लिटरेट स्टेट on June 23, 2025. Tripura has declared a fully literate state under the Ullas Now Shiksha Shastra Karyakram. Tripura became the third state after Goa and Mizoram. Earlier on 30th May 2025, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant officially declared state of Goa as a full functional literate under the Ullas Now Bharat साक्षरता कार्यक्रम न्यू इंडिया लिटरेसी प्रोग्राम. These achievements mark a major milestone in India's pursuit the full literacy by 2030 as envisioned in the National Education Policy 2020. According to Census 2011, Goa literacy rate is 88.7%. The male literacy rate is 92.81%, while the female literacy rate is 84.66. The literacy rate of Tripura according to 2011 census is 87.22. Goa became the second state in the countries to surpass the national prescribed 95% functional literacy benchmark. Earlier on May 2025, Chief Minister of Mizoram Laduhoma officially declared Mizoram is fully literate state. Mizoram becomes the first state in India to attain the status of full literacy. Mizoram became a full-fledged state on February 2087 and cover an area of 21,081 km. As per the 2011 census, the state had literacy rate is 91.33, ranking third in India. Prior Mizoram's on June 24, 2024, Ladakh became the first administrative unit to declare full literacy. ये तो इसके बारे में हो गया. अब पढ़ते हैं 50 years of emergency. On June 25, 2025, India marked the 15th anniversary of an emergency, a 21-month period from 1975 to 1977. The Allahabad Court, June 12, 1975 verdicts in Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Sri Raj Narayan case, 1975, invalidating then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's 1971 for the electoral malpractices led to the proclamation national emergency on June 25, 1975. Emergency provisions. Under Article 352 of the Constitution of India, the President may, on advice of the Council of Ministers headed by Prime Minister, issue a proclamation of emergency if the security of India or any part of the country is threatened by war or external aggressions or armed rebellion. Amendment related to emergency provision. 38th Amendment Act 1975 empowered the President to issue emergency proclamation on ground of war, external aggressions, armed rebellion, or imminent dangers thereof. The 42nd Amendment Act 1976 enables the President to restrict the emergency effect to specific regions of India. 44th Amendment Act 1978 replaced the phrases internal disturbance with armed rebellion to prevent misuses. संविधान हत्या दिवस. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi leadership, the central government has decided to observe 25 June as संविधान हत्या दिवस Constitutional Murder Day each year. The Ministry of Home Affairs issued a notification regarding on this July 11, 2024, which was published in Gazette of India on July 12, 2024. Thus, June 2025 has been designed to honor those who faced and struggled against this abuse power. Next news है Operation Sindoor. The Operation Sindoor took place on 7 May 2025. 9 terror infrastructure sites were targeted, including in Pakistani Punjab and regions India's called Pakistan occupied and Jammu Kashmir. This operation was conducted in retaliation for the barbaric Pahalgam terrorist attacks, in which 25 Indians and 1 Nepali citizens were murdered on April 2025. The attack was claimed by the Resistance Front, a group linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba LT, with India attributing its supports to Pakistan. Wing Commander Vomika and Colonel Sofia Qureshi, with Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, led the Indian government briefing about the operations. 9 locations targeted in the Pakistan and POJK. Markaz Subhan Allah Bhavalpur, headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed, serving as a major operational hub. Markaz Taiba Mundrika, base of Lashkar-e-Taiba, known for planning and coordinating cross-border attacks. Mahmoona Joya Selakot, a Hizbul Mujahideen camp used for militant training and logistic support. Markaz Hale Hadi Barnala, a LET-linked religious indoctrination hubs promoting extremist ideologies. Shedna Bilal's camp Muzaffarabad, a Jaish-e-Mohammed training center focused on equipping militant of cross-border operation. Sawai Nala camp Muzaffarabad and operational units for Lashkar-e-Taiba involved in attack planning. Murjika Rahil Sahib Kotli, a Hizbul Mujahideen center for coordinating militants activities in the region. Markaz Abbas Kotli, a gem safe house used for strategic meetings and logistic planning. Surjol facilities Tehran Kalan, a secured location for weapons and IED, facilitating terror activities. On 10 May, Pakistan launched an operation condemned Operation Bunyan al-Marshash, targeting several Indian military bases. Between 7 and 10 May 2025, multiple drone incursions were reported across the various locations, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the state of Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai, Director General of Military Operations DGMO, on May 11, 2025 briefed the India on the Indians' armed precision strike under the Operation Sindoor. On May 10, 2025, India and Pakistan agreed to coordinate ceasefire. The ceasefire agreement was mediated successfully by United States as claimed by President of United States. Key high precision weapons used by India's Scalp cruise missile manufacturer MBDA, European Defence Council, launch Rafale fighter jets range 500 km. Purpose designed to deep strike missions targeting high value stationary assets such as fortified bunker and commander center. Hammer precision guided bombs AAS, manufacturer Safran Electronic and Defense France. Launch platform Rafale fighter jets, range 15 to 17 depending upon the variant and release attitude. Engaging medium range target including mobiles or dynamic threats with high precision modular designs accommodating various bomb size 125 kg to 1000 kg. Loiterings munitions kamikaze drones. Example Nagastra developed by Solar Industries Warmart system. Purpose combing surveillance and strike capabilities. These drone loiters over a target areas, identify threats and execute precision strike. BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. Developer joint venture between DRDO and Russia and PO Machino Troyan. Launch platform land, sea, air and submarine. Range approximately 290 km. Purpose targeting strategic military assets with high speed precision strike. Supersonic speed. Mach 2.8 and 2.2. S-400 Thirams Sudarshan Chakra, India's strategic air defense shields, manufactured developed by Russia Almaz Central Design Bureau. India's designation, dubbed Sudarshan Chakra, in India's service symbolize a weapons of protections. Development, India signed a deal with worth approximately 35,000 crore, around 5.4 billions in 2018 to procure 5 squadron of Russian-made S-400 Triumph air defense missile system. It is equipped with sophisticated radars that can detect and track targets up to 600 km away. Civil Preparedness Mock Drills 2025. On May 7, 2025, Ministry of Home Affairs initiated a civil defense drill across 244 districts throughout. Post-military operation by India against Pakistan. Operation Cactus Lily 1971. An air assault operation conducted by Indian Army and Air Force during Bangladesh Liberations War, December 1917. Operation Trident 1971. A naval offensive operation targeting Pakistan Karachi ports. Operation Python follows naval attacks on Karachi port to further cripple Pakistan naval forces. Operation Meghdoot 1984, launched on April 13, 1984, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi leadership. Operation Vijay 1999. This operation was India's military actions to reclaim territory occupied by Pakistani forces in Kargil. Operation Safe Sagar, conducted by Indian Air Forces to launch air strike against Pakistani forces entrenched in the Indian positions along with line of control. Uri surgical strike. These these were conducted by Indian Special Force in retaliation of Uri attacks. Operation Bandar, launched in response of 2019 Pulwama attack on CRPF convoy in Kashmir. Year 2006 for Indian Air Force Operation Sankat Motion, location South Sudan evacuate during civil war. 2017 Indian Air Force Operation Insaniyat, Bangladesh humanitarian aid for Rohingya refugees. 2018 Indian Navy Operation Madad, Kerala rescuing during floods. Indian Navy 2020 Operation Samudra Setu, COVID-19 repatriation missions. Indian Army 2020-21 Operation Devi Shakti, Afghanistan evacuate during Taliban takeover. Operation Devi Shakti. 2020 Operation Ganga, Ukraine student evacuations amid Russia-Ukraine's war and airstrike. Indian Air Force Operation Dost, Turkey and Syria earthquake mission rescue. India's 5-point actions in response of Pahalgam attack: suspension of Indus Water Treaty, closure of anti-Bhaga border checkpost, revocations of the SARC visa exemption schemes for Pakistan, expulsions of Pakistani military advisor, reduction of diplomatic personnel, Indus Treaty, Indus Water Treaty. The Indus Water Treaty is signed in 1960 in Karachi after 9 years of negotiation between India and Pakistan was by were brokered by the World Bank's key provision included Eastern River Ravi Vyas Satluj allocated to India's for unrestricted use, Western rivers Indus Jhelum Chenab reserved for Pakistan granting it access nearly 80% of the Indus system of total water flow, brokered by World Bank then known as International Banks for Reconstruction and Development. Non-suspension clause even during wars the treaty remains operative. India's suspension marked the first ever suspension of treaty since 1960. The move draws upon Article 62 of the Vienna Conventions on Law of Treaties. सो गाइस लगभग 16 मिनट्स की वीडियो हो गई है। अब आगे वाली सीरीज़ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंटिन्यू करेंगे। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड।